2 of Pillar 3 is rule number 2. Let us see what this rule has to tell us. Rule 2 says nouns that end with the letters SH or the sh sound, letters CH or the ch sound, the letter X, Z or S. They add ES after the letters given here to form the plural. I will explain this once again. Rule 2 says any noun that ends with SH or CH or X, Z or S, it adds ES after it to change it to a plural. Well, a few examples will make this rule very clear to all of you. Let's check the examples. You can write them down in your books. So the first one, you can write down the name of this object. I'm sure all of you have seen it, and some of you may be even using it, or your parents may be using it. Well, it is a brush. Now, if you look at brush, it ends in SH, the sh, alright? So, what will the plural of this noun become? It becomes brushes. We have added ES at the end of the word brush. One more example. Well, you can write down the name of this object in your book. The name is bench. So this noun ends in CH. And what are we going to do? What does the rule tell us to do? Add ES to get the plural. So if you can look at this picture, there are so many benches. So benches becomes the plural for the noun bench. We look at one more. So name this animal. It is supposed to be a very clever animal. And I'm sure all of you have already got it. Yes, it is a fox. So fox is a noun which ends with a X. Alright? Now we are going to add ES to get the plural, which becomes foxes. Foxes is the plural for fox. So we looked at a brush and we saw some brushes. We looked at a fox and we also saw foxes. We saw a bench and we also saw benches. So I hope rule number 2 is clear, and again a very simple rule. You just need to read the rule a few times, maybe repeat it or say it aloud, and that should help you to remember the second rule. So after this, we have a brief video for all of you where we are going to do a recap of rule 2. So keep watching and enjoy the video. Thank you.